Do you like deerhair box like I do? You know how difficult it is to make those nice hats like this one. We've gathered a few tips and tricks from one of the best on the market, the Swedish Deerhair expert, Mr. Andreas Andersson. And in this video, he's gonna give you a few tips and tricks on how to select, how to tie in, how to trim and cut deerhair box to look like this.
Hi, Andreas Andersson here. Let's talk about deerhair, particularly deerhair for larger flies like streamers and predator flies. The two main categories of or types of deerhair you will run into when choosing deerhair for a larger fly would be body hair. This is going to be a little bit softer. It's pretty easy to get long body hair, but this is mostly for a profile type of fly, a fly that it's meant to look big, but you can perhaps may not need to pack it as tightly as you can and will be needed to do on certain other flies. For the other flies that you need to do a tightly packed version, head, for example, or body, you're gonna be better served using the hair from the belly of the animal, which is a lot more coarse. It's trickier to find long hair. Most hair you find will be a little bit shorter, but if you look really carefully and get a little bit lucky, you can get super long belly hair as well, which is of course a dream to work with, especially on a larger fly like a diver or something like that. Good luck. Let me show you how to tie in a spot on a deerhair fly. I have prepared some deerhair here in my stacker. So I got the bottom part of this fly ready, and now I'm going to place the second layer right here on top. So wiggle through and then thread so we get the top part on. As of now, I haven't put any pressure on it yet, but I'm going to use my thumb on top here to separate the hair as I'm pulling it down, and my index finger to grab onto the hook eye. And the result we get is a kind of a little crater there where we will be putting, in this case, a black spot. So I got some black deerhair here, and I use my scissors like this and then lay them flat to make some room, wiggle through and then thread on the way down, wiggle through, thread on the way down, and to get this spot to stay together, I place my thumb and index finger on the bottom side like this and then pull, and you will get a spot once you trim it. Thanks. Let me show you how to do a round or a bullet type deerhair head on a streamer. We're going to start with the bottom. I always tend to start with the bottom. And a thing to keep in mind with most streamers, independent if you're going to do a round profile or a more of a straight cut profile, you would want a little bit less material or a lot less materials on the bottom. That will aid in both tracking ability of the fly, and also the hookup percentage will be better, especially with a large head in front. So what we're going to do to make it a round or a bullet style head is just bend the razor. Always start with a safe cut and work to the sides a little bit. That's a good start. We don't have to cut anything more than that to start with. We'll switch to the top. Make sure you get it all straight. And again, with a bent blade, very safe cut going upwards. Kind of like that. And after that we can just work on the sides, still using a bent blade, till we meet the bottom part. And when we do, we'll have a pretty good fishable round head. Like that. It will push a lot of water and fish well. Thank you.